Subscribe to DV Studio channel and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first. Hello there, this is Dipanshu. Today I am going to convert a feet inches AutoCAD drawing to mm. There are two methods to convert it. Right, here I have two files. One is in the feet inch and the other one is in the mm. Right, I have to convert this drawing from feet inch to mm. The first method is, let's just copy this drawing by select this and by pressing the Ctrl C on your keyboard and go to mm file. Paste it here by pressing Ctrl V and click it or place it. Right, you can see here the drawing is too small. It needs to be scaled. Right, select this drawing. Right, press SC on your keyboard and hit enter. Now click anywhere on this drawing. Right, the next step is to specify the scale factor. Right, you have to type 25.4. What this value is, in 1 inches there are 25.4 mm. Right, and hit enter. You can see here the drawing is scaled. The next step is to check these dimensions. Open the quick calculator of AutoCAD by pressing the QC and hit enter. You can see here the unit conversion. Right, unit types length. Right, convert it from mm to feet inches. Select the feet. Right, convert it from 3048 and hit enter. Right, it shows 10. Right, we can see here in feet inches file this was the 10 feet. Right, we can check the other dimension. Type the value 4572, enter. 15. Right, you can check here this was the 15 feet. Right, so our drawing is scaled and converted to mm from feet inches. Right, let's go to the feet inches file again. The other method is change this feet inches drawing to mm, not by copy and paste from feet inch drawing file to mm drawing. Right, change it here in this drawing. Right, the first step is to scale this drawing. Right, select the drawing, press SC enter, specify the base point, click and put the value 25.4 and hit enter. Right, by pressing the Z enter, E enter, you can zoom out to this. You can see here it shows 254 feet, which was the 10 feet. Now we have to change the units by pressing the UN on your keyboard. Change the architectural to decimal, precision 0, inches to millimeters. Okay. Right, the final step is the change the dimensions type. Right, by pressing the D on your keyboard, D enter, modify, change here the primary units, change it to decimal, change the text height, which was the 5 inch earlier. Right, now we are scaling this by factor of 25.4. let's just 25.4 multiply by 5, 125 approx, symbol and arrow, 125. okay, close. You can see here it shows exact dimension which was converted from feet inches file to mm. This was the 3048. Right, it also shows 3048, 4572 229, 4572 229. Right, so you can convert your feet inches drawing to mm by any of these two methods. Right, hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get the latest videos first.